Alright guys, in today's video we're going to do something outside of the performance portion of the car. We're waiting on our converter. We want to keep making some content and we want to keep moving the car forward. So today we're doing some cosmetic stuff. Yeah, it's not going to make the car faster, but I still want the car to be nice. I want it to look nice. So that's what we're going to dig into. I'm doing the fix for the S197 where the door vinyl peels away. There's a company called Dash Skins. I've purchased the kit from them. You basically put it on with some silicone RTV. You test fit it, you put it on the RTV on it, pop it on. So we're gonna hop into that, and then we're doing a headlight change. Our headlights are hazy and clearly from 2007. We're gonna replace those and get that all underway. And we're gonna remove our fog lights because I do believe that we're going to try and use the fog light section to basically make intakes for our turbos. So we're going to get the fog lights out, switch out the headlights, put the front end all back together. So we're going to bring you along, let you guys kind of check out what we're doing. So here's essentially the Dash Skins piece, just a plastic insert. This is the back of it. And then you basically go around the perimeter with silicone RTV and pop it in to the door panel area, which you can kind of see here. I've already put this one on. You'll see I have some painter's tape. Let me get some light to make this a little better for you guys. Alright, so there you can kind of see. You basically put it on the inside around after you degrease the area. I've got some painter's tape to make sure and hold it tight. But yeah, so that's what we're doing with the interior of the Dash Skins. And then up front, we're gonna replace our factory headlights. They don't look too bad here. You can kind of see this one a little bit. They're hazy and gross. We're gonna replace those. We are gonna pull out the fog light there, both of those to use for, hopefully, inlets for our turbos. Yeah. Other things we're going to do today is our K-member. I put the bolts in upside down and I caught that. Well, actually my friend Jason was here and pointed it out and caught it. Those are sticking up too high. We have to flip those over. So we're going to flip those over while we have the front end of the car off. I'm going to climb over and hop down in there and flip those real quick. But today's goal, we are replacing headlights and removing fog lights. I've already taken the wheel liner out of the inside of the car. I can kind of see no wheel liner, so I got to unhook the side marker, undo the two 10mm bolts that hold the bumper cover on up here, and I've already removed the 10mm on either side of this. That should allow the front bumper to drop down, then we'll replace the lights. So I'm going to undo the bulbs and the two 10mm in the fender well, and we'll get this front bumper cover off. Yeah, so we are ready to take out the 10 mils around the headlight and swap these headlights out. So that's what we're going to do next, is get these 10 mils out. So we got the other side already loose. There's a push pin as well that we got to get out, but this is pretty well ready to come out minus the push pin. There's a bolt here, there's a bolt underneath here, and a bolt over here. So there's 3 bolts. So we'll get all 3 of these out real quick. Maybe. Alright, we're gonna have to go. Our swivel's making us have some problems here. This one here is rusty and tight. Make sure I can get it on this bolt head good. Yeah, these are crusty. We'll have to clean all that up before we put it back together. Then we'll put anything together with the mat. And the last one over here in the corner. Alright, that is a free headlight. And it's the same thing you do for both sides. We gotta pull the push pin out and then unhook the bulb assembly on the inside. Remember, these aren't how-tos. These are probably what not to do's, but this is what I know. This is what I've seen on YouTube University, so this is what we're making happen. Okay, so we'll get these push pins out, and then I'll show you guys. We purchased some headlights from American Muscle, and we'll toss those guys in. I'll show you kind of what we got. Nothing super fancy, but we'll get this push pin out real quick. Yep, so I'm going to try and lift it a little bit here. There we go, and then I'll use a removal tool. And they pop right out, and then the headlight should come free. Yep, we just gotta unhook our harness here. So let me toss things onto our cart and unclip this baby, and we should be free. Easier said than done, I guess. Even easier, we'll just undo the whole bulb. So there, you can kind of see, I cut myself off in half the frame, so sorry, but you'll see that we basically just undid the bulb. 3 things. Now I think you can see the headlight is gross. So I'm gonna grab the other one and I'll bring you guys along to see me toss it in. And basically, the bulb clips in, and then it's got like a halo on it, and I'll have to read the instructions to see the halo there. You'll see the halo, but yeah, this guy just basically pops in. So I'll get this in. All right, there you can see it. There's the new headlight on the driver's side, and kind of see the halo in it as compared to the old side. You can see all the haze on it. So we're gonna do this passenger side real quick, and then I'll show you what I was talking about. You'll see 2 wires that got fed through, a red and black. I believe that's for the halo. I gotta read the instructions and I'll wire that up here in a second. But this is, yeah, we're way further than we were. It looks a whole lot better. So you can see we got the new headlights in, the halos are wired up. We took out our fog lights. The intention is to use this as inlets for the turbos. I have went ahead, I've removed the ABS unit. I've removed the windshield washer to make room for the turbo stuff. I'll bring you guys closer and show you some of that. Yeah, so we're here. I'll bring you in here and let you guys see real quick. So here you can see we've got the halo headlights in. This is set up and open for the turbo inlet. You can see we've removed the ABS unit. The lines are still there. We got to redo the lines and hook up the line lock stuff. Windshield washer fluid reservoir is gone. We're going to relocate the fuse box, the battery. The intention is to put it in the trunk. So we've got the front end pretty well good to go. I need to clean up inside here. It's kind of gunky inside the grill, and just kind of restore the plastic. So I'll work on some of that down the road here. The cowl, same way. I'm going to show you the door panels here real quick. So you can see the door panels adhered to the main door panel, the insert, I guess I should say. So that looks much nicer than before. Yeah, I know it's, you know, a race car and I've probably added some weight, but I wanted it to look nice. Like I said, I'm not trying to drive it and be junky, and it's not designed to be anything spectacular, but I want it to be nice. So I'll flip on the headlights and let you guys see kind of what the halos look like, and we'll wrap this video up. All right. So here you can see the halos are in. I think they look pretty good. Can't really tell too much in the video, but they're in, they're on. I think they've turned out great. So yeah, we're gonna button it up. We need to clean out the grill a little bit, but all in all, I think it looks great. All right, gang, thanks for watching. Today was just cosmetic stuff that I wanted to do to make the car nice and to look nice. I appreciate everyone watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribing helps me out hugely. It's really a way to drive, you know, the channel so that I can keep doing these things. Your support means everything, and honestly, it makes it a lot more fun when I know people are enjoying things. So if you click the subscribe button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, make sure you check out our website, www.mrtorque.com. You can find super awesome automotive t-shirts. There's hoodies, there's hats, there's beanies, there's stickers. You can pick up cool hoodies like this one here where it says Boost the World. We've got a whole bunch of stuff. So please check out our website, the merch sales also. That helps us be able to bring you the content. Above and beyond anything else, be good to each other. Thanks for watching and have a great day.